Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Perry, and please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So today I'm back again in the kitchen and I'm going to do an amazing video. I'm going to show you guys how I normally make my banana milkshake. First we need 2 bananas, we need yogurt, we need milk, we need honey, and our blender is here, right here with me, and a knife, of course, to chop the bananas. So be ready for this. So let's cut the bananas into cubes. Okay. So once you're done cutting the banana into cubes, let's put them in our blender. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention also what we need. We need ice cubes. So I have 4 pieces of ice cubes here. Put them in the blender. So for the yogurt, we are going to take like 4 spoons. 4 spoons of yogurt. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the honey guys, let's put this small spoon. Make sure that you put all of it. Okay, for the milk, we are going to measure 200 ml of this cup. 200 ml. This is 200 ml. Slowly pour it into your blender. Then close your blender. So I'm going to show you guys how to blend this. Make sure you've closed your blender properly so that you don't get into any mess. So you need to make sure that everything is blended. So I'm going to check if it's not yet blended. I'll do for another 5 minutes. You should blend it like for a maximum of 7 minutes. So it's not like well blended. Let's do it again. So once it's done, I'm going to show you guys like the final results. Stay here with me. Let's have a taste with you guys. Ash, you guy, my guy, you can't believe this is banana milkshake. Let's have a sip. Wase, you have to try this. Nasi chocha, you have to try it. It's so yummy, and Macu, it's a healthy one. Like we didn't put any sugar. This is a healthy milkshake. For my new members, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye, and I love you. Mwah.